This is Let Us See. I'm Suzanne Ridgway, and welcome back to my channel. I am shopping in store today, picking up a few groceries for my next few Dollar Tree dinners. But first, smash on that subscribe button, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up. I'm at the Dollar Tree, and we're going to do a Dollar Tree haul. Let's go in and see what's new. Need some groceries and some household, and I want to see what's in seasonal. Yeah, the palm trees are really cute. One of our cashiers here that I know is here tonight. This is the Wow table, and this really caught my eye. It's really cute. It's a pink flamingo. I've seen the flowers before, and the pineapple. And then the solar flares. They do last 24 hours. They're really good. Hula hoops are back. And the giant water shooters. I made a giant hula hoop wreath last year with one of these. And you can do the pool noodle wreaths. Just your typical Easter eggs here. These felt pieces are really good for making pillows, and you can put the bunny butts on it. That is a really great basket. It's the old school style. They have blue, orange, pink, green, and down here they look like they have purple, a different shade of blue. Dollar Tree has the best ribbon. The little crafting jars are back. Let's see what's over here. Some summer stuff. The wood. And they put some stuff down here. There's some grungy and a mask. I like that. That's nice. Especially the leopard print. This is really cute. I don't need any more wood signs, but I love that with the bunnies. And they have the wood truck. And they have the wood truck garden stakes. Gonna get one of these for a DIY I saw. I have the smaller versions in white on a trellis I made. Here are those turning tables. You can probably make these on baskets, the big Dollar Tree baskets, hot glue them on. And the baskets could roll for easy grab from the pantry or a kid's toy room. Are you going on vacation or traveling with the kids or teenagers? These are great activities for the car if you want to keep them off the phones for a little while. They have coloring books for older kids. A huge selection to choose from. And all of these word finds. My dad used to love Sudoku and the word finds. I don't know if he's coming home this year, but he and my kid always do these at the table right before we have lunch. These are awesome. It's a 6-piece set. They're clamps to hold the glue together in place for when you're making wood crafts. I wish I had them when I did the little shelf. These are really cute. So they have them in black and kind of a clear and a whitewashed look. This one says family. I have a lot of those, and I like these little fishbowl type things. You can put their marbles or seashells in them, or potpourri. And these are really nice too. Hurricane base. I've been on a fish kick. That is a fillet. I think I might try this next. That's salmon, it looks like. This is really good, the popcorn shrimp. Need a few of those bags though. Let's grab 2 of these for another seafood stir fry. We are back to a 6 count from a 4, so that's exciting. It's real Texas toast. And they also have a Parmesan flavor. Just did my freezer recently, and I know I have broccoli cuts. And I have mixed vegetables. I do want to get another stir-fry blend because I just used one. I use them with the stir-fries. I have tater rounds, and I have a bag of french fries, and I have plenty of ground beef. Their bread. They have plain bagels. I'm gonna get one of these. They don't have any buns for hot dogs. Sometimes they do. Closer to the 4th of July, Memorial Day holiday, they'll get them in. If you don't like paper straws, these are really good. I have one in my purse. They are plastic straws. And I keep them in the toothbrush holder so I don't lose them in my purse. They have them in white and black. These are really great to have on hand, especially if you have a kid that does not like the paper ones. They have big size bags of cookies here. They got oven baked. They got fudge striped shortbread. They got fudge graham rounds like the Keebler. Then up here, you can see the green box behind the box here. They have the fudge mint. In the summer, when the weather gets better and the drive-ins open, come to the Dollar Tree first because they got a huge selection of snacks, freshness guaranteed, really great prices, and a lot of drive-ins will let you bring your own food in. You just pay for a little pass, and you stick it in your dashboard, and check them out because they've got a huge selection of name brands too. Check out their canned goods. They have lima beans, and that's cheaper than the retail supermarket. Sometimes Walmart can be cheaper than Dollar Tree, but they say they're $1 a can still here, so that's really nice. I'm going to grab a couple cans of lima beans. They're my kids' favorite. Chicken tamales back. I'm going to get a couple of these because I make all kinds of delicious chicken dinners with them. These ones are $1.25. Pay attention to the prices. No bake cinnamon roll cookie dough bites. I'm going to totally get this. My kid is going to love it. I'm checking out what they have for baking. They got these pink stuffed puffed marshmallows. I'm going to grab those for my kids. They have Jell-O again. Pie crusts. My kid hasn't had the granola bars in a long time, the chocolate chewies. I'm going to grab one of those. I used a Hunt's today, and I need to replace one. This is the big one. It is 1 pound. I'm going to grab one of the rices, because I used one today, and I'm going to also grab a jasmine. These are really good, and so are the refried beans and their Spanish rices. They're easy to do, 90 seconds in the microwave. It is a Hawaiian bowl with pineapple and brown rice. That would be great for a chicken dinner and some vegetables on the side. Here's another great buy at the Dollar Tree. Check out their bowl covers. They have Reynolds wrap parchment paper. I use these all the time when I gift my leftovers to neighbors. I like to buy all of their bags for lunches. When you come to the Dollar Tree and you need Ziploc bags, check them out. Just be careful of the counts. They have garbage bags as well, and I use them for my barrels because in New York State they banned the plastic bags and I have to use reusable. But I like to buy my lunch brown paper bags here for stuff for the microwave, and the Ziplocs when they have a high count, like a 12 count, or Preston steel, and they have name brands like Glad. I am grabbing a package of the paper bags because I want to learn how to make my own popcorn. I'm getting my conditioner here. It's Daily Defense. Why pay $9 on up when you can get it for $1.25? Over here on the left, I got a 6-pack of the Texas Toast, a 6-pack of the Chewy granola bars. The cashier, who's a friend of mine, said these were really good. He made them with his kid. I can't wait to try them. Got some bagels for quick breakfasts or snacks. A stir fry for the dinners I've been doing. Clamps for my crafting. I picked up jasmine rice, this Hawaiian rice bowl, as well as the long grain white rice. Canned goods, the chicken and chilies. I take the wrappers off and chop them up and make great dishes with it. An extra can of Hunt's. 2 cans of the lima beans. These were $1 a piece, so that was great. And 3 packages of the filet here for some upcoming dinners. Some paper bags, a Daily Defense. This is for a project coming up. Cute flamingo, that truck, which was really cute. I liked it a lot. And then these stuffed puffed classic milk chocolate marshmallows, and I think they're pink. Be fun. And then oven baked fudge stripe cookies, and they are 13 ounces. That was a good buy. And here's what it looks like again. When we get to 1,200, we're going to issue out 2 $10 Dollar Tree gift cards, one for new subbies, one for people who comment. If you're new, make sure you say hi down below or comment anywhere in any comment section and say hi. And be a U.S. resident and subscribed. If you comment all the time, you have to be a U.S. resident and subscribed. If you've won the past 60 days, you're not qualified. Also, when we get to 1,200, we're going to give away one 5-item prize pack from the Dollar Tree, valued at $6.25. We'll pick out a winner and send an email, and you get to choose your own 5 items. So that is really cool. Keep that in mind. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you spread the word about me, and please share me to social media. That is it for this Dollar Tree haul with an in-store shop with me. And then I showed you briefly what I got on my table. Before we go, don't forget to smash on that subscribe word, tap on that bell, give this video a big thumbs up.